So what do we have here? I'm using a, should I even be using this? Haven't done a video in a while, probably about 3 weeks. But this goes out to the viewer that checked out my video, and it was the CBD video, pain relief with sciatica. And one of the viewers had mentioned, have I ever tried Sisters of the Valley? And it's told the person no. Then I looked them up. Fragile. And recently I was like, you know what? Let me give them a shot. Try them out. Sisters of the Valley, and I bought them. I bought the CBD oil. Comes in good packaging. Here's my receipt. Paid it. Not sponsored. Paid it with my own cash, own money, and once again, yeah, notice to law enforcement, hemp, only CBD products. This is hemp, not marijuana. We comply with regulations of hemp nationally and internationally. Everything we sell is legal and tested at less than 0.2% THC. Sisters of the Valley, they have an Instagram, they have a website. Check out their website. And a really good seal tight. There's some kind of like inventory number, but this is seal tight. Infused oil, Sisters of the Valley, non-psychoactive, and this one goes about $80, $90. So it's pretty seal tight. I like this. Let's see, can I just open it from? No, double wrap. The Ice Moon, January. Oh, nice. So it even lets you know. And then if you go onto their on their website, the lab results are there. So it tells you how much CBD. And this is, once again, this is hemp. But this one I've never tried. This will be the first time. I like that it's just completely sealed. Sisters of the Valley. Yeah, I believe they're somewhere in California. Okay, it's in Spanish. Sisters of the Valley make all their products by the cycles of the moon. CBD infused oils taken orally or in food and comes with a dropper for ease of use. The sisters use high CBD hemp and liquid coconut oil to make their infused oil drops. sisterofthevalley.org. And just put it, put it on an empty stomach if you got some, I just don't want to spill this. Holy crap. This reminds me, yeah, it looks like the Jeff's Best hemp oil. So there you have it. That was the unopening of the CBD infused. And just want to thank that that person that commented on the video that I had made, I think about a year ago, and that's how pretty much I heard of Sisters of the Valley. So stay tuned for other videos. I'll probably do a update video on how this particular one has been working for me. So once again, this video, I bought this with my own cash and out of my own volition, decided to try another CBD oil and see how that works with the sciatic relief. Anyways, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.